Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine.
Very good. So, I'm Snehal, and today we are going to learn one topic from maths. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. You have learned various concepts like tall, short, more, less. Yes? Have you
Yes,
learned this?
teacher.
Yes. Then big, small, long, short. And which concepts you learned before? Do you remember any? Up, down. Did you learn up, down concept?
Earlier, later.
Very good. These concept you learned previously. Now, today we are going to learn one concept, near and far. What is the name of topic? Near and far. Okay. Now, let us first understand the meaning of near and far. Okay. See,
Yes,
when
teacher.
we compare two objects based on distance, we call it is near or it is far. Understood? When we compare the two objects based on distance, it is called near or far. Let us first understand what is the meaning of far. Okay? If a thing is away from us, we cannot see it easily, it is placed long distance, then we call the thing is far from us. If the thing is away from us, that we cannot easily see it, so it is called the thing is far from us. And what is the meaning of near? The thing is next to us. Means we can see it easily. It is called near. Understood the meaning of far and near?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, see here, I have one book and one pencil. Book and pencil. Now, pencil is near to the book. Where is the pencil? It is near to the book. And now, the pencil is far from the book. Where is the pencil now? It is far from the book. The pencil is near to the book and it is far from the book. What is the spelling of near?
Yani, N-E-A-R, near.
Very good. Spelling of near is N-E-A-R, near. And far? What is spelling of far?
F-A-R, far.
F-A-R, far. Means near matlab pass or far matlab dur. When we compare two things based on distance, it is called the thing is near to us or it is far from us. Understand the concept? Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Can you see the pictures?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay, what is the name of today's topic? Near and
Far.
far.
A-R, far. N-E-A-R, near.
Very good.
Near.
Now, what can you see in this picture? There are two puppies and one house. One puppy is sitting near to the house and another puppy is far from house.
House.
One puppy is near to the house. Say it. Say after me.
Is near or small puppy is far.
Near to the house. Say it like this. One puppy is near to the house.
One puppy is near to the house.
And another one is far from house.
Another one is far from the house.
Very good. Very good.
Yep.
Now there are 2 cats and 1 tree. One cat is near to the tree.
One cat is near to the tree.
And another cat
is near to the
far from the tree.
One cat is far from the tree.
And one cat is?
One cat is near to the tree. Second cat is far from the tree.
Very good. Here you can see 2 camels. One is near. One camel is near and another camel is far.
One camel is near. Another camel is far. The camel is far.
Good. Very good. Now see another one. There are 2 dogs and 1 tree. One dog is sitting near to the tree. Another one
is far from the
tree. Very good. One dog is sitting near to the tree and another dog is far from the tree. Now 2 houses. One house is near and another house is far.
One house is near, another house is far.
Very good. Now one boy is there and one girl is there. Who is near to the tree?
Boy is near to the tree.
And who is far from the tree?
Girl is far from the tree.
Very good. Very good. Boy is near to the tree.
And
girl is far from the tree. Very good. Very good. Now, this is a basket and 2 balls. One ball is near to the basket and
one ball is near to the basket.
And one ball is far from the basket.
One ball is far from the basket.
One ball is near to the basket and one ball is far from the basket. Very good.
One in the basket and next far is near the basket.
Okay, good. Now the girl is near and boy is standing far. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now see, I will ask you some questions on this picture. You will tell me the answer. Okay? Who is near to the tree? Which things you can see?
Bird.
Okay, bird and?
Bird.
One bird is near to the tree and who is near to the tree? Who is there? No, house is far from the tree, but who is there in the pond? Can you see the fish?
Fish.
Yes. Can you see the fish in the pond? Hello?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
There is one fish near the tree. The pond is near to the tree, so the fish is near to the tree and one bird is near to the tree. And where is another bird?
Tree is flying in the air.
Yes, he is flying in the sky and he is away from the tree.
Far from the
tree.
tree.
And where is the house?
Far from the tree.
Yes, house is far from the tree. And where is the girl and boy?
Near to the pond.
Yes, they are standing near to the pond, but they are far from the house and far from the tree also. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
And they are standing near to the pond and they are far from tree and far from house also. So, did you understand the concept of near and far?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
So, did you understand the concept near and far?
Yes, teacher.
Near means which is next to us or we can see it easily, and far means which is placed long distance, which is away from us, we cannot see it easily. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Welcome, teacher. Welcome, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.